Right. Good evening, my dear. You are warmly welcome, Pute, my dear Rome and others. There are some newcomers today for the class. Newcomers, you are warmly welcome to the class, Pute. Today we are going to study geography in English medium for grade 8. My dear new children, Pute, I want to talk with the new children now. We have already started unit 1, but we did only a little part, okay? Today we are doing about the planets. We did about the Venus, Mercury and Venus and Earth also. Today we are doing from Mars to other planets. Then you have to keep 4 sides of your CR book. We need one CR book for the notes. 4 pages, 4 sides for your previous notes. And you are given the previous recordings of my subject, civic, geography and English subjects. You can get the previous recordings. You have to watch the previous recordings. Next Sunday is the Boyer Day. You can watch the recordings next Sunday and you can complete the notes. Okay, with it? Hurry. My dear, after this unit, we are going to have the unit test. Then you can join the revision also. You are warmly welcome back again, my dear. Today we are going to study about the planets from Mars. Soundarya, go. Pute, Soundarya, do we have to start from the Mars today? From Mars? From Mars? Manugi, yes, Pute. From Mars. Ne? Hiranya, is it from Mars?
Yes, sir.
We did up to Earth, Pute?
Yes.
Okay. When we talk about the planets, we know that the planets which are which revolve around the sun belongs to the solar system. And there are thousands. We don't know. It is uncountable. Sometimes thousands of. Right, give me 1 minute, Pute. No, Pute. You are not. Okay. My dear, it is Pute. We are going to discuss about the planets. I was talking about there are thousands, no millions, but thousands of solar systems. Understand? Solar systems. Some are very big. Okay? We know that the sun is very big, but when we compare the size of the sun with other stars, sun is very small one. Yes, and there are thousands of solar systems. That is called the galaxy, Pute. It is called the galaxy. And galaxy Pute. Solar systems. A collection of solar systems can be defined as the galaxy. Manda Kiniya. Eka Taru Alalla. A Taru Alalla Tirupute, thousands of solar systems. One sun and the planets. One sun and the planets. ඒක පුතේ හිතා ගන්නත් බෑ. හරිද? ඔන්න. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා we don't know whether living beings are found from other planets. It is unimaginable. Understand? Anyway, what we discussed about the planet Mercury. Mercury is the first planet of the solar system. It is the smallest planet. Anyway, I am going to give you a self-assessment after this part today. You are going to write the diameter of the planets. You are going to write the rotation period of the planets. You are going to write the revolution period of the planets. You are going to write the diameter of the planets. And about the number of moons, whether an atmosphere is available or not. We are going to mention all those things in the assessment. Self-assessment. Hari. Mercury. Mercury is the closest. The temperature, the surface temperature of the Mercury is 167 degrees of Celsius. And it doesn't have any natural satellites. It can no moons. And it doesn't have an atmosphere also. But there are rocky There is a rocky surface. We are going to study about them. Then the Venus. Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. එක Earth එක ළඟටම එනවා. හරිද? It is little bit smaller than the size of the Earth. එක ළඟ දෙන්නයි ඉන්නේ. හරිද? Little bit small than the Earth. හරි. ඉතින් පුතේ, the planet Venus is the hottest planet because it is covered with the layer of carbon dioxide. It is the hottest one. 464 degrees of Celsius is the temperature of the surface of the planet Venus. 464 degrees of Celsius. Remember that. It also doesn't have any moon, but there is an atmosphere. Remember that the planet Venus rotates from east to west. From east to west. But the other planets rotate from, west to east. Understand that, okay? Okay, my dear? Hurry. Then, my dear, about the Earth. Earth is the third planet, and it is considered as the only planet where we can see the biosphere, the living beings in the universe, not in the galaxy, in the universe. In the universe. Anyhow, there is a congenial atmosphere, hydrosphere, again water cycle, and other gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, and about the lithosphere, biosphere, living beings are found. The surface temperature is 15 degrees of Celsius. 15 degrees of Celsius. The rotation period is 24 hours. The revolution period is 365 days. It is called the blue planet. The diameter, the circumference of the equator, the circumference of the polar. We have finished discussing about the planets. Now we are going to start to discuss about the planet Mars. Mars is the last planet of the inner planets. Inner planets. It is also very close, not the closest, like Venus, very close planet to the Earth. It is also a little bit small than the size of the Earth. I will tell you the size of the planet Mars. It is called red planet. It is also covered by the carbon dioxide. Do you know the surface temperature of the Mars? Minus 65 degrees of Celsius. Minus 65. Then living beings can live there. Minus 65 degrees of Celsius. And the only gas is carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but two natural satellites, moons, Phobos and Deimos. And we are going to talk about them. You take the notebooks. We are writing these notes in the notebook. Though you have the textbook, though you have our books, we have to write the notes. Why? You have to study them. That's why. Can I open the notebooks now? Open the notebooks now. Can I put the date first? Today is Thursday. Put the date, my dear. Thursday. 29 January. 29 January 2026. 2026. Alright, and let's try it. On Mars. About Mars. Alright? On about Mars. Newcomers, did you put the date? On the date is on a Thursday. Right? 29 January 2026. Write the topic. It is about on a Mars, planet Mars. Let's try. Number one. It is the fourth planet of the solar system. It is the fourth planet of the solar system. Next one. It is located after the planet Earth. Next one. There is atmosphere. There is atmosphere. And it is consist with carbon dioxide. And the Mars has two natural satellites, two moons. They are called Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos. Alright, that's enough because we are going to do a self-assessment. When we do the self-assessment, we can write the other information of Mars. We can write the other information of Mars. Hurry, okay? Kenoli, did you understand what I told before this? Did you hear what I told? Kenoli? දැන් මම මේක පටන් ගන්න කලින් දැන් කිව්වනේ මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කිව්වද නැද්ද ඒක? Alright, next one. Jupiter. You tell me whether you heard or not. I told to write again in the notebook. I told to write again. Right, Jupiter. Write the topic, Jupiter. This is the fifth planet of the solar system. This is the fifth planet of the solar system. Next point. This is the largest planet of the solar system. You write. When I say you write, don't look at the book. This is the largest planet of the solar system. Next one. It is an outer planet. It is an outer planet. The diameter of the planet Jupiter is 142,800 kilometers. Remember that? 142,800 kilometers, Pute. The diameter of the planet Jupiter. That means it is 10 times bigger than the Earth. Oh, you're right. It is bigger in 10 times. It is bigger in 10 times than the Earth. Underline 10 times than the Earth. Saturn 9 times. Next one, it has black strips. Tituli, okay with it. It has black strips. It has black strips. Next one. Jupiter has the highest gravitational force. Jupiter has the highest gravitational force among the other planets of the solar system. Among the other planets of the solar system. The last point, Jupiter has 67 natural satellites. Hariya putala. Kalian. Jupiter has 67 natural satellites. Natural satellites. 67 natural satellites. Hurry, okay? Next one, Saturn, Bute, Saturn. Write the topic, Saturn. Sixth one, sorry, Saturn. Look at the Saturn. It is also more beautiful. Neither. It is called the bridegroom of the solar system. Right soul. It is the sixth planet of the solar system. It is the sixth planet of the solar system. It is the sixth planet of the solar system. Next, it is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the second largest planet of the solar system. The Saturn is bigger in 9 times than the Earth. Jupiter is 10 times bigger than the Earth. The Saturn is 9 times bigger than the Earth. Underline them. It has a set of rings made of ice. But those two are called gas giants. Okay? Gas giants can be then Jupiter and Saturn. Gas giants. The last one, it has 62 natural satellites. It has 62 natural satellites. Natural satellites. Alright, okay. The last second, Uranus. Uranus. Right, Uranus. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet of the solar system. Uranus is the seventh planet of the solar system. Seventh planet of the solar system. Uranus is the third largest planet of the solar system. Third largest planet. Remember that Uranus also rotates from east to west like Venus. Remember that Uranus also rotates from east to west like Venus. Are you there? Uranus also has a thin set of rings around it like the Saturn. Uranus also has a thin set of rings around it like the Saturn. Finally, the Uranus has 27 natural satellites, moons. 27. 27. Hari. Last one, Neptune. Right, Neptune. On Neptune, let's try. Neptune is the last 8th planet of the solar system. Neptune is the last 8th planet of the solar system. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. Neptune also is visible in blue, but it is not called the blue planet. It is not called. What is the blue planet? The Earth. The Earth is called the blue planet. Neptune is 4 times bigger than the Earth. Neptune is 4 times bigger than the Earth. 4 times bigger than the Earth. 4 times bigger than the Earth. Uranus 5 times bigger. 5 times. Something bigger. Uranus is 5 times bigger. It is very cold, extremely cold. It has 14 natural satellites. It has 14 natural satellites. 14 natural satellites. Hari, Utala. Now get ready for the self-assessment. Ute, you can find those ideas from the textbook also. ඒක නිසා ඒවා මේ textbook එකේ තියෙනවා බොරු කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Now we are doing a self-assessment. When you do the assessment yourself, you can remember the things. Hari. On a self-assessment, write the topic. Self-assessment. When you do, you will learn. This is the planet. On a planet. First one, you have to do this up to the 8th one. You must do like this up to the 8th one. On the first one, planet 1. On the name of the planet. The location of the planet. First, second, last, ever. On a diameter. On a diameter. Diameter. when a size to the earth එකත් එක size එක 2 times 10 times 9 times එහෙම යන්නේ when rotation period revolution period number of natural satellites availability of atmosphere on availability of atmosphere whenever you must complete you have to do this up to the last one on the first one then do the second one then do the third one then do the fourth one on the diameter dunna neda right understand next one surface temperature on vertical unknown surface temperature surface temperature right yes pute isali yes my dear hare welcome my dear hare onna ena you have to complete this now harida onna take the first one mercury and you must name the first one what is the first one mercury you can paste the picture name මොකද්ද mercury location first on the first then the diameter I think around 4000 you can find it I will show you around 4000 ඒ කියන්නේ mercury is smaller in 3 times than the earth mercury is smaller in 3 times than the earth understand size of the earth 3 times smaller than the earth ඒ උත්තරේ එක with diameter around 4000 I will show you rotation period how many hours rotation revolution period how many days 88 days number of natural satellites 0 availability of the atmosphere no nil surface temperature 167 degrees of celsius එවල යනවා ලස්සන දැන් එහෙනම් මේක හදන්න හැමෝටම you must write this for all මේක හැමෝටම හදන්න ඕනේ දැන් මේ විදියට ඔන්න number 1 එකට ලිව්වා and number 2 එකට ලියන්න ඕනේ write again for number 3 write again for number 4 write again for number 5 write again up to the last one again ඒක ලියලා කරන්න ඕනේ ලියාගන්න ලස්සනට write on this first write again this first asal ලියාගන්න rotation direction also rotation direction also. Rotation direction. I told you most of planets rotate from west to east. But I told two planets, Venus and Uranus, rotate from east to west. Remember them. You must write what is the direction for Mercury from west to east. From west to east. That is why. Hari, okay there? Look at again. You must paste a picture here. Atom, paste a picture of the planet. Write the first name, location, diameter of the Mercury, size to the Earth, size of the Mercury to the Earth, 3 times smaller. You must say 3 times smaller than the Earth. Rotation direction from west to east, rotation period, rotation revolution period, number of natural satellites, moons, garner, availability of atmosphere, and the surface temperature. Next week, you have to narrate them. You are going to talk like Mercury. You are going to talk like Venus, Earth. You are going to talk. Let's see. We are going to show you that chart. You can do from this. Then make balang uttara yana puluwan ganda adara. Hadanta galen lesson on. Okay. On a Mercury. What is the diameter? 4,000. I told you 879. Ekyanni 3 times smaller than the size of the Earth. Yeah, podi. අපේ පෘථිවිය වගේ 3 ගුණයක් පොඩි. ඒකට 3 ගුණයක් පොඩි. තේරුණේ? ඔන්න යාගේ rotation period එක hours කීයද? 1407 hours. Very slow. Very slow. Very slow. But the revolution period is very fast. 88. යා හිමින් කරකැවි වේගයෙන් යනවා හිරුවටේ. වෙනවනේ. Its orbit is small. That's why. Yeah, orbit is small. And temperature 167 degrees of Celsius. No natural satellites. No atmosphere. And the rotation direction from west to east. That's Australian. Technically unknown. Technically unknown. Like this. Technically ascend. You make this chart again for Venus. Do you make this chart again for Earth? Make this chart again for Jupiter. When it is about Mercury. On Venus. After Mercury. The diameter is 4,829 days, hours. Yes, say to me. Give the space. On a Mercury, the diameter is 4,879 kilometers. That means Mercury is small, very small, in 3 times than the Earth. The rotation period in hours 1,477.6 hours. Revolution period 88 days because its orbit is very small. That's why. Yeah, the orbit is small. Ekai. For the rotation of the sun, it takes about 25 days. For the rotation of the sun, the sun takes 25 days. The sun takes 25 days for the rotation. යාගේ rotation එකට 25 days යනවා. sun එකට. Maya, hurry up, Mode. On the second one. Then write the second one. On number 2. What is the name? Venus. Venus. Then you can give the other names also under this name. The other name. The morning star. The evening star. You must give the other names also in the bracket with the name. Name किंवा मेकअप ලියන්න. Location second. And diameter is very close to the diameter of the earth. Size, like the size of the earth. Little bit is small. චුට්ටයි පොඩි. ඒවල ලියන්න ඕනේ මේක. The rotation direction is from east to west. ඒවා ගන්නට ලියන්න ඕනේ. අසන කරන්න. Now you have to read them to the class. On Venus. What is the name? Venus. And what are the other names? Minugi, get ready to read them to the class. Danidu. What are the other names? The morning star and the evening star. Ikulangi naam. Jenara. Ko. What are you doing, Jenara? Complete soon. Adegan Dakar. Complete soon, my dear. We don't have much time. The syllabus is very long for the first term. We don't think about it. Location is the second place. Diameter is 12,104 kilometers. It can be very little bit small. Venus is little bit small than the Earth. Chuttai body. Chuttai body. On a rotation period, 5,832 hours. හරිම slow එයා rotate වෙන්නේ. එයාගේ rotate revolution period එක 224 days. අනේ temperature එක highest 464. දැක්කද? What is the rotation direction? From east to west. But no any natural satellites, but there is an atmosphere. Atmosphere තියෙනවා. Shabina, hurry up. You are going to be given to read your notes to the class. Right? Third one, Earth. Okay. Hiranya, get ready. On the Earth. Third one. Earth. What is the name? Earth. What is the second name? Blue planet. Write the second name also. The other names also with the name. Blue planet. What is the diameter? 12,756 kilometers. Rotation period is 23.9 hours. On a garden. But we say 24 hours. Neither. Sethimi, okay with it? Olla given. Get ready. Asal unknown. Other names ki unknown. Newcomers. වැඩේ තනියම. And a revolution period එක පුතේ 1 year 365 days and on 2 hours. 2 carry 2 hours. The temperature is 15 degrees of Celsius. Only one natural satellite. Atmosphere, yes, with nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, nether. And there are a number of gases. Number of gases, right? Next one, number 4, Mars. You must write the second name for Mars, the red planet. It is called the red planet, Mars. Look at the diameter, 6,792. It is 2 times bigger, smaller. It is small in 2 times than the Earth. ඒක Earth එක වගේ නේද? දෙගුණයක් කුඩායි. ඔන්න භාගය හැවිට. පේනවනේ? The Earth is 12,000. Mars is 6,000. හරියට භාගයයි තියෙන Earth එකේ. එහෙනම් නේද? 2 times smaller. And 2 times smaller than the size of the Earth. යාගේ rotation period 24 hours. බලන්න. යාගේ 24 hours. මොන බලන්න තියාගන්න ඕන හරිද? What is the planet which has the same number of hours of the rotation period with the planet Earth? Planet Mars. But පුතේ double. යාගේ revolution period එක double 687. Double. එක double. But පුතේ යාගේ temperature minus. එයා minus වෙලා. minus 65. ඒ කියන්නේ ice. ඒ කියන්නේ ice. minus 65 කියන්නේ ice. minus 23 වුණාම එන්න බැරි. ඉන්වර්ට් වෙන්නේ. minus 65 කොහොමද වැඩි? rotation එයාගේ direction එක from west to east. Natural satellites 2 තියෙනවා. Deimos and Phobos. Phobos and Deimos. We wrote the names. Atmosphere is available, but only carbon dioxide. But only carbon dioxide, like Venus. Utala Arya, Adipa, get ready, eh? Anantya, Viladiko. On a Jupiter, right? On the Jupiter. What is the location? Fifth. Diameter 142,800 kilometers on 984 kilometers. Rotation period 9.9 hours. But the revolution period 4,331. Temperature minus 110. Number of satellites 67. It has an atmosphere. Rolian, and get ready for reading now. Hiranya, the size of the Mercury is 3 times smaller than the Earth. The number. You can calculate it. When you see the difference of the diameter, 4,000, maybe 12,000. On 3 times smaller than the size of the Earth, Mercury. Lily, get ready for reading, my dear. You are given press. You have to read all the things nicely like that, okay? Profile you must read the profile, Sudu. Get ready. You must say the name and other names, the location, about the diameter, okay? The rotation hour, period, revolution period. Next one, Saturn. What is the size of the Jupiter to the Earth? 10 times bigger. 10 times bigger than the Earth. Saturn is 9 times bigger. The Sun is 109 times bigger than the Earth. The Sun, 109 times bigger. A Sun, 109 times bigger. The temperature 110 minus 110 degrees of Celsius. And 145, 40. Saturn. Uranus 195. Neptune minus 200. 65 minus 65 minus 110 minus 140 minus 195 minus 200. 167 degrees Celsius. It was 464 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. It was a minus 65 minus 110 minus 140 minus 195 minus 200. Satyagan varende. Because we want much time. Vibhusha, my goodness, we are doing a self-assessment. We are making this profile for all the planets yourself. You have to make this profile for all the planets. For the first one, for the second one, third one, to the last one. Up to the last one. Filling the blanks. You are learning it yourself. When you do. If you can see, you can do now. Where from the Saturn now. We are doing the last third. Now you are going to write from the last third. From Saturn. Saturn. Aisha, very good. Very good, my dear. Short part. Try to read. Complete solar. I am not covered that. Okay, Pute. Uranus. It is the third largest planet. Uranus. What the location? 7. Diameter is 51,118. Size to the Earth. I told you that 5 times. It is bigger in 5 times. Okay? 5 times. Right. Then the rotation direction is from east to west. Uranus like Venus. East to west. Rotation period is 16.1 hours. But the revolution period is very long. 30,589. Surface temperature minus 195. Number of natural satellites 27. You must relate them from your memory now. Memory can gyan na to The last one is Neptune. What is the name? Neptune. The location is the 8th. The diameter is 49,528. Again, 3 times bigger than the Earth. Neptune is 3 times bigger. Uranus is 4 times or 5 times. Remember them. Right. The rotation period 16.1 hours. Revolution period 59,800. Why? It is the furthest one. The orbit is very large. The orbit is very large. Now those who have finished doing, get ready to present your profile to the class one by one. The one who is given the first one has to do the first one. The one who is going to give the second one have to give the second one. The one who is going to do this as the third one should give the third planet. Like that. Get ready. Those who have finished doing can practice it yourself to do it orally. Now I am going to show you one. I am going to do one orally myself without any documents. Then try. Try yourself, Lily. Try yourself to present the details of the planet one by one orally from the memory. That is the most important thing. The practice about the name and the other names of the planet and the location and about the diameters and about the size to the earth. It is also very important, right? And the rotation direction and the rotation period in hours, the revolution period in days, the number of natural satellites, the availability of an atmosphere, and the surface temperature. ඔය ටික හොඳට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. ඔය ටික හොඳට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. Alright, that's all. Now get ready now. But I'm going to name one by one. Are there? Hiranya is going to do the first one. Start.
Self-assessment. Planet Mercury. Name Mercury. Location first. Diameter 4,879 kilometer. Size to the Earth 6 times. Rotation direction retrograde. Rotation period 1407.6. Revolution period 88 days. Number of natural satellites 0. Availability of atmosphere no atmosphere. Surface temperature 167 Celsius. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Lily. Go hurry up. Don't get late. Second one. Kohiti, I can't hear your voice.
Facts about facts about planets in brief. Venus, Mercury, first planet.
Minugi, are you ready? Yes. Alright, second one, Minugi. Start.
Sir, you can hear me?
Lily, you off the mic. I will take you after this. Lily, off the mic.
Okay. Facts about planets in brief. Planet Mercury.
Lily, you off the mic. Hurry. Minugi, start.
The diameter of Venus is 12,140. The rotation period of 5,832.5. The period of revolution is 224.75 days. The mean temperature is 464 Celsius. The number of satellites is 0.
Alright, okay. Others get ready. Soundarya, third one. Kollagiven. Ko Soundarya. Ko Arya. Romit, get ready. Romit. Haridhar. Jevidu. Third one.
Self-assessment. Third planet, Earth. Location, third. Diameter is 12,756 kilometers. It is the largest planet among the other inner planets. Revolution is 365.2. Rotation is 23.9. It has only one natural satellite. Ability of atmosphere is yes, it has an atmosphere. The surface temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Situmi, the fourth one. Ko Situmi.
Fourth planet, Mars. Location, fourth planet in the solar system after the planet Earth. Diameter 6,792 kilometers. Rotation direction, west to east. Rotation period, 24.6 hours. Revolution period, 687 days. Number of natural satellites. 2 natural satellites called Phobos and Deimos. Ability of atmosphere consists of carbon dioxide. Surface temperature minus 65 Celsius degrees. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Sudhu. Yansa. Yansa. Ko Yansa Arya. Next one. Jupiter. Aryapude. So we can't hear your voice, my dear. And Nanny. Eh? Vimendi. Vimendi, Jupiter, Adipa Ude, Adipa, Jupiter Ude, Jupiter. Kalatma, Star, Jupiter. Ko, Satya, why? What's the problem? Yellow, Jupiter. Ko, what's the problem? Ibusha, Saturn.
Self-assistant. Name Saturn. Location sixth planet from the Sun. Diameter 120,536 kilometers. Size of Earth 9 times bigger than Earth. Rotation direction west to east. Rotation period 15.7 Earth hours. Revolution period 10,747 Earth days. Number of natural satellites 62 natural satellites. Availability of atmosphere, yes. Surface temperature 140 degrees Celsius.
Minus, Ude, minus.
Sorry.
Say again, minus. Say again.
Minus 140 degrees Celsius.
Right, okay. Okay. Omaya, Mohammed, go. Have you done? No problem. And next week, when you join the class, you have to do this presentation orally. No books. You are not allowed to use the books. Oral moment. No problem. You have to practice the favorite one, your favorite one. Then you have to do it orally. And the Oneda planets was over. Next week, we are going to learn about the asteroids, about the comets, and about the dwarf planets. Next week, we are doing. And bye, see you. God bless you.